Hello everyone, my name is Atin Kalra and welcome to Campus Vault. How I came up with Campus Vault idea, I used to work as an event coordinator on my campus, and every time I planned an event, I used to hit the same wall. Our stuff was scattered across 5 buildings and tracking it on an Excel sheet was always out of date. Planning any Christmas event, I had no idea what we already owned. Someone borrowed a speaker, now good luck finding it back. So I built Campus Vault to basically do the job that I used to do. So it solves these problems. As you can see, it helps you in managing uh, the inventories basically in a smart way. So let's get started. So this is the landing page, and these are the things that Campus Vault does. You take a photo, it helps you where you can save it, create your space and everything. If you're doing any events, it uses fuzzy and all those logic to have all the relevant stuff that you can use for your events. Basically, if something is going out of stock, it will give you alerts. Believe me, that's amazing. And voice command is one to make our life easy, and AI also gives you insight of like if things are utilized or not utilized. So let's get started. So I'll probably log in. Since if you I'll probably log in directly. So once you log in, you go to your dashboard page over here, and as you can see in my dashboard, I have like some spaces over here already created, and these are some items, and it will give you the insights. Since I own this space, it's giving me insights of like how things are right now. So that's pretty much it. All you have to do is first let's start with adding an item. So let's upload maybe a lamp, or I don't know. Yeah, let's upload what item you have. AI will identify what kind of item it is. So it has furniture, lamp, and it does all the tagging for you. You can add the brand name, you can add the category. It does automatically for you. If you feel like you want to change it, you can go ahead and change that, and even you can tag them so that it is easy to find. All you have to do is click on next and where you want to put it. Like for example, if I want to have it in my house and the bedroom, yep, that's where I will have it. All you have to do is click on add inventory. The inventory is added. So space is more on like it can be your campus, it can be your home. Inside my home I have bedroom. Maybe I can add another space called um, uh, kitchen, and basically you don't need to mention any of these unless you are using it in a corporate building. And inside that kitchen you can add multiple item basically. So let's take an example of an existing one. Or in order to test the application, you can actually run a demo data that can actually add some items for you to work with. So like here I have places which has media equipment, and then you see inside each storage space you can actually add a section, and that section will you can name it like a cabinet or anything, and basically, and each of the section what shelf you have and what stuff you have, you can mention. Then you can have the stuff mentioned over here. If you want to borrow this, feel free to raise a request and type you want to borrow this stuff, tell what day you want, and it will go to the admin or anyone who has access to approve this. You can transfer this item anywhere in your room, or if you want to transfer it to another place, you can do that so that it's easy for management. You can also mention the quantity of it. You can update the quantity, like whether I have 3, 4, 5. Feel free to do that. Let's see one another event. Like for example, I'm doing an event, maybe like a Christmas party for 50 people. This is where it helps you, you know, uh, basically to do the magic. So if you see for the event, I can use it says like 514 has, since I have access to this, I can go ahead and like check this has access to the Christmas tree, and basically you can get the Christmas tree, you can borrow it or like use it for your event basically. uh, and and if you want to directly add an item, go ahead, find the, let's just say I want to add this as an item, and it's able to find that it's a kitchen tool. You just go ahead and like where you want to add it, you can mention that, And even if you want to add it to the cabin, you can do that. And there you go. Your item is already there now. Let's look at the architecture. Pretty cool, right? Let's look at the architecture. So you have the client, you have the API gateway. Gateway is more like using Next.js, and it uses all these different modules inside of it, the Nova services, and we are using DynaDB to store this information. All the images and everything else are stored in the S3. We are using Cognitive for all the roles and admission. Also, one important thing, you can actually invite your friends and give them the access as a manager, as editor, or contributor. Just they want to as your team, they can just have, you can invite them, have them welcome on your space, and they can check and even add if they have the access. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. Thank you, everyone.